Hey guys, again, more problems in solving the quadratic equation was by completing the square. All right, so we have this problem here. It's say 2, let me get this right, 2s squared minus 6s plus 7 equals 0. Okay, so now the first step, we know what we said. What's a form of quadratic equation? So ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to put uh, this equation in the form. So the first step we do, so we say 2s squared minus 6s equal, we're going to subtract 7 from both sides. So it will be equal to minus 7. Then we divide by 2. So it will be s squared minus 6 over 2, that 3s equal to minus 7 over 2. All right, so this is a form when I can get my b value. So what's my b value, which is the value I'm going to add to complete my square for the quadratic equation. So the b value is, we say, the value I need to add to both sides, which is b over 2 all squared. So the b here is minus 3. So it will be minus 3 over 2 all squared. So minus 3, the square, this is 9 over 2 over 4. 2 squared is 4 minus 3 squared, this is 9. So it will be 9 over 4. Okay, and let's add this to both sides. So we can use this. So it will be s squared minus 3s plus okay. So here, this is, we just take the value here, which is minus 3s. So this is actually 3. Okay. So x squared minus 3x. So we can add 3. We can leave it like this. 3 over 2 squared equal minus 7 over 2 plus 3 over 2 squared. All right, so it will be s squared minus 3s plus 3 over 2 squared equal to minus 7 over 2 plus 3 over 2 squared. All right, so that's the form. So now the reason I left it like this, so this way it will be simplified, it will be easier for us to, when we factor the left side. So we can say s minus 3 over 2 all square. Right? So this will be equal to, if we simplify the right side here, so minus, this is 9 over 4, so will be minus 7 over 2 plus 9 over 4. So that will be, we take the common factor here, 4, 2 minus 14 plus 9. So it will be equal to minus 5 over 4. So that's going to be the right side. All right, now let's confirm our factor is correct. So we say it's s minus 3 over 2 times s minus 3 over 2. That's the factor we have. So s times s, that's s squared. minus s time minus 3 over 2. So this is minus 3 over 2s. Then minus 3 over 2s. Then plus 9 over 4. So would be s squared minus 3 over 2 and minus 3 over 2. That's going to be minus 3s. Right? Plus 9 over 4. Okay, so minus 3. This is basically this equation here. So the factor is correct. All right, so the factor is correct. This is this equation here. That's 3 over 2. Okay, so now when we say it will be s minus 3 over 2 squared gonna be equal to minus 5 over 4. Right? This is what we got so far here. Okay, now we need to simplify this side. So it will be s equal x minus 3 over 2 will be equal plus or minus the square root minus 5 over 4. Right? Okay. So, if you remember, we had this imaginary part here. So how are we going to deal with this? So it will be s minus 3 over 2 equal plus or minus the 4. It's going to come out the root, which is going to be 2. So this is going to be 2. Right? And then the square root of minus 5, that's basically square root of minus 1, that's I, and the square root of 5. So it would be I, the square root of 5. Okay, so now we want to know what the s value is. So s will be equal, we add 3 over 2 to both sides, 3 over 2 plus or minus I, the square root of 5 over 2. So 2, that's a common factor. So it will be 2, 3 plus or minus I, a square root of 5. So final answer is s equal 3 plus or minus I, the square root of 5 over 2. And that is my basically x value as s value in this case. And that's it. There you have it. That's the final answer.